Hello everyone, my name is Wang. I live and working in Japan. Before, my English was very bad. I was afraid to speak, so I lost many good jobs. Then I learned Japanese and came to Japan. One day I watched a video of Miss Teresa on Facebook. I like her energy a lot. So I started learning with Teacher Trang. After 2 months, I know the basics again. My speaking is better. Teacher Trang is very kind. She always helps me. Thank you to the support team too. My course ends next April. I will try my best. If you are afraid of English, please start today. It is never too late. Let's learn together. Thank you for listening.